hate you bands. We hate you bands and we hate you bands. We are the bandage haters. We hate bands, you filthy scum. When I was just a little boy, I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be bandage? Will I be skins? Here's what she said to me. Ah, you little fuck. Oh, no, that's not one. That wasn't one. Look at this. We got new things happening. It's a shame that they feel the need to make them look like castles. I'm not going to lie. It is a shame, but we have got a trebuchet here. Now, that can throw a 300-pound projectile over 500 metres. So yeah, I'm glad we got this on our team. Good old Treb. We'll get a few BBs in the top. That'll be nice.
I have a BB in my boot.
Yeah? Is that what you're calling it now? Right, so Twat Squad to the bridge, boys. It's on the left, and it is my bridge, and I'll take you boys there. You're going Sniper Tower too?
Someone wasn't listening to the brief.
No. Alright, what's the game mode?
Hey, how unusual.
Well, no, I mean they will be at Sniper Tower 2. Well, they're respawning from it.
That's their respawn.
Oh.
There's no point in going to that.
So we can't get to the
If
bridge.
you get to the bridge,
You need to go.
You've gone too far.
You know where you down by the swamp?
Yeah.
Up the side, like you know where you go.
Yeah.
I'll take that then.
It's green, sir. Green. Roll the cameras on. Steve, where's your, oh, you didn't bring it.
I really did.
Alright.
I think
Right.
I've not even turned mine on yet.
It was on.
There you go.
There we go. Now I can sync it.
I forgot to
Now don't turn it off.
Not on the ball yet.
Right.
We're going to try and stick together a bit this time.
Yes. Well, it's only a small field, so it should be easy. I mean, together's together. But
Together, boys.
as you know, I like to switch it up a bit. So if you lose me, I'll be on the other side. Oh, we've got speed softer. Did he come to the wrong bit? That is an airsoft gun, isn't it?
Airsoft Quinton.
Yeah. Quick buy. That is quite cool, that. What is it?
Custom.
Ooh.
One custom body, all CNC machines imported from Italy.
Can I shoot it? Ah, you legend.
You want to put your back on when you pick it up, man? It's a bit heavy.
You'll be alright.
No.
Right, hey, you got, that is a... I only brushed that. Right. Ooh. Doesn't feel... Oh, you got a maxi in there?
Yeah.
Oh. Yes, sir! Doesn't feel like much. Go! That's there for now. Done my bit. Oh shit, safety. Left side. Bunker left!
Already.
How did I get so much ground? Little motherfuckers. What, on the white thing?
Right.
What happened to stay together? Where are we? There's two up there. They're getting a bit used to. Oh, there they are. They're on those barrels. Hit! Yeah, did. Oh, that one's got a bit loose. Yeah, we're losing some ground. Get forward, boys! Oh, shit.
Yep.
One behind the trees now. on, boy. Oh shit, should have got in the back. Barrels! Right at the barrels. Yeah, he's down. Move up. Am I skinny enough for tree? Mate, no. Too fat for the tree. She hit me in both ears. Take some ground, boys! We need some ground. It's half price this week. Take some spheres of affection. I did. Whip. Whoop. We get in that bunker. Is it full up?
We're in the bunker.
We are in the bunker. I'm going to move left a little bit. We only one up here. Plastic flying around. Right. Can you pelt that tree and I'll run up? Oh. Bunker! Hit!
Two in the bunk on the left.
He's moving. Yeah, on that one.
Too focused on winning the game. Let's go find the birthday girl. There she is. Right.
One's right in the bunker, right at the back of the window. Yeah, big curve on there.
Woo! Damn it!
There's one behind the board right on the left as well. Left that white container. Left that white container. Got it? Nice, good.
Yeah. Make sure that's not forgotten quick.
Yeah, do I keep speaking just up there, on the left.
Ooh. Ah, nice flash.
That's on right hand side, one in front of me.
Yeah, we can do it. Just got to put some fire. Oh, looks like we got something on the right there. Oh, I'm dead. Nice and gentle.
There's one right here.
Right, let's deal with that mess on the right. Where are they? In the bushes? You keep that hand up, son. Sorry, brother. Sorry. Good trade though. Got him. Right. That was too close for all. I'm sorry, buddy, if you see this. Should put it on single actually. Oh.
Up on forward.
Yeah, I'm not going forward.
Oh, look, look.
Left hand side! Huh?
No, we got to get the bomb, which is down there, to the sniper tower 2, I think. So we need to get some ground so we can move it up.
Wow. Damn, we've got one right in front of us right in the bunker. I need to call into this one.
Oh shit. Man's in the bunker.
Look in left hand side, left!
Bunker!
Pushing left!
Nice being able to see though.
Can't do it,
White container right in front of us. Yeah,
What am I doing? I'm putting my hand up.
Yeah, hang on.
Alright, watch that bunker on the left. One in the window.
Down white container again. White container, white container.
You want my Yeah.
Reload.
He's still there. He's still there. Hang on.
Not bad time. These are really soft though.
One right in front of us and in a little behind the
Got
container.
hurt. Oh, I got some really nice gentle spheres coming. Yeah, I saw them. Fuck, as I was reloading as I ran.
Ah, you got something.
Yeah. Well, they're in and out of it. I keep pulling them out, but they're filling it in quite nice. Yeah?
Take mine, take mine. Take mine, take mine, take mine.
Yeah. Oh, okay, thank you.
Oh, you can't,
I'll go next one. There's one more on the right, you are.
Right side is the left.
Right hand side,
left
one
window.
more.
You see it? Bunker. Straight ahead. Whoa, that is shook in the face. Where'd that come from?
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fan, isn't it?
No, can you?
Yeah.
Cover it left.
We'll probably have to go and talk to you on it. Got him. Got him. Good lad. One more.
If we can take it, that'd be nice and spot, wouldn't it?
See it again, thing.
I think he's under there.
And left, yeah? I think he is.
You think?
Why one there?
Sam, send me one here, one right through behind us, white container.
He's got that maybe one. What on your back?
There's no more going to wrap it up.
Right, thank you. Got in there.
There's a bunker on the right.
Running.
Okay, one on the back.
Yeah.
Should I smoke?
I think that's from Netflix.
There's one more in this
Go around the back
container. Right. Here.
Where was he?
Me and you now, look.
It's Ah, yeah, like this,
One's in the trees right at the back, I'm going black. Behind the tree, oh, you can...
Hit! Hit!
Shit, sorry.
Hit! So gentle. Oh. God. Nice. Clear that out a bit. I'm not sure, give me another one. I didn't feel it. Yeah, that was it.
Over there somewhere. Run it up. Hey, we got a Johnny! Here you go. Oh, hit!
Oh, hello Steve. I'm trying to take some ground because we got to get a bomb forward, mate. I mean, it's not really going very well. Come past. Come past. Oh. I get ya. Oh, you did get someone with it though. Nice. It's famous. One peeking on the left hand side of the bunker. We're not getting anywhere, are we? We want to use up the lives before we can't respawn. It's the bunker, bunker left, 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 bunker, they can get you from there. He's on the left, hit. Left hand, I'm dead. We need to clear that bunker on the left because they got crossfire across here. So we're just running people into here and losing them. Oh, that sounds meaty. Meaty. Stung. Sorry, bud. Ooh, handbag. Oh, he didn't go back to the... There we go. Why is he still moving tactically if he's dead? Hit! Oh! I'm coming back. It did a little bit, yeah. It's not going to again. That was close. I do love a good tracer, eh? Shows you just where they are. Mary had a little lamb. Fucking hell, where'd that come from? Was that one of ours? That was a shit throw if it was. Throw of the week. Right, moving up. No, reloading. Watch right. Bunker. Oh, two down. Oh, they're behind the first bunker. It's a grenade of the week. Oh, that way. None? Knockers! Tracer! Oh, watch out! Oh, hit! Hit! Get your hand up quicker, boy. One behind the bunker. You get him? Oh no, you got it. Oh, they hit my tree. That is my tree! Beautiful tree. Oh, shot at the marshal. Sorry, it's too far away. One on the sniper tower. One on the right here, almost in line with us, behind the bush. He's about to move up to this wooden piece. I'll watch it, you deal with the head. Okay, someone else might have got him. got some great shots last time, Sam. That was really impressive, mate. Yeah, they were really good, man.
This new camera makes a difference.
Yeah, is that new? Or is that the one you had last time?
Newish now.
Yeah.
When we last there?
I can't remember. It's like about four weeks ago, something like that.
Yeah,
You had some really nice ones of me running through that smoke.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
They weren't quite in focus.
They were good enough though. I thought it was decent. Yeah, I was really impressed with that. Yeah, I bet you did. I bet you did.
Camera didn't get shot there.
Yeah.
I do not know.
Need to get a bit of like sight. Well, I guess you wouldn't get a good shot out of it.
But I've got a UV filter
Yeah.
at the end of it. Borrowed one of the guys here has got a rain
Little cover, yeah.
But the rain cover actually protects beavers as well, so I think I'm going to get one regardless.
Yeah. Yeah, well, yeah, good stuff, man. It's really decent. It's really nice to have that quality of photo, you know?
Yeah, there's the thing I found with airsoft and photos, there's people that go around saying they're airsoft photographers when they just take photos of airsoft, and then there's airsoft photographers. There's only a handful of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all good fun.
Not afraid to get stuck in. That's what I like about you. You're on the front line, you know?
Because
That's where the action is, isn't it? Yeah.
When I was seeing airsoft pictures before I started taking photos, most people stood here taking photos of people's arses, which don't really make a good photo. And because I played solely for 2 years before I did photos, so I'm not really afraid to get sort of amongst and get shot.
It's really good, man. Like the footage that comes out is incredible. Yeah, if you're Steve as well, I'll buy those ones for him. But he was complaining last week, wasn't he? He's like, oh, I didn't get it.
I'll playing the next game.
Oh yeah. Oh, it'd be good. It'd be good. Come on, skins. Or bands and I'll shoot you.
Jasmine's on band, so I think if I abandon her, I'll be
Yeah. We're losing. Look at that, there's Tom pushing forward, what a legend. Got the pink boy. This guy here, a little slow to get that hand up, he is. A little slow on the hand. They're all slow on the hands. Oh look, see, one to the eye, fine. One to the eye, and it didn't, well, it splintered a little bit. Ah.